After our time in Glacier, it was time to head south to Bozeman.
I get lost looking in your eyes, a little shook up at the sight of you. It gets me every time. And when I'm swimming against the tide, you're throwing me a line, you're pulling me back to you.
In Bozeman, we met up with our friends and hit the Madison River for some tubing.
I got it all right. I got it all right. I got it all with you.
Good pizza.
That's how to make them in Italy. Trust me.
The next morning, we made for Yellowstone.
I wanna float like a bird, slow and low. I wanna follow the river wherever it goes. I want the wheels of time to jump the track. I wanna leave all my troubles and not look back. I wanna close my eyes and forget my sorrow. I don't care if the devil takes tomorrow. Ashes to ashes if I must. I wanna leave all my troubles dust to dust.
Most of the attractions were boiling water pits, which, don't get me wrong, are super cool. But I had my mind on spotting one thing.
Grizzly.
Finally.
He's staring at us. Look at that. Dude, that was sick. Look.
A grizzly. At last.
They're right there.
Where is right there?
And a black bear with its cubs.
Like right there. At the point, you can see the bushes moving.
Oh, yeah.
Mr. can you stop for me? I ain't got much besides this guitar. Back a ways you'd find what else I own in the trunk of that damned old car. Don't know what blue, but it's smoking like hell. And man, it sure don't sound good. It made it clear it ain't going no further. Well, there's fury beneath that hood.
Oh, yeah. And we saw that famous water fountain in Yellowstone.
Look how high they shot.
I can feel the fire burn in my heart, make it through the twists and turns, out of the darkness, built from broken bones. I'm alive, got air in my lungs, and my heart beats fast. It's a beautiful, crazy life.
Hey, look, it's Hannah, Montana.
My place.
How much does Hannah, Montana mean to you?
Oh, just the most. It's my icon and my legend.